guys, Flying Falcon here, XYX, Flying Falcon XYX here, and today we are starting off with the prison dance, dancing. Yeah, anyway, today I'm joined, or not joined in the game, but I'm with the Buffalo guy, Genuine Cow. Yeah, it's just his Roblox name, and I'm not sure that you can hear him, but I'm also joined by the Tree now today. Yeah, you can't hear him. So I'm gonna get this. We're gonna go through here. So this is a new series. I obviously played it before with Genuine Cow. In oh Rich is leaving the party. So you see in the top right hand corner, I have a lot of money. Where's this guy? I'll bust this guy out. Oh, okay. Hi. I'm gonna try and mind trick him. Get I mind trick him. Well, open the door and let me move through. Oh, okay. Oh, oh. This was all on video. No, 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 no. Oh, I'm dancing in handcuffs. Oh, I'm dancing. Yeah. Yes. 11, 13, 12, 11, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yep, I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Low gaming survive. Low gaming survive. What do you do about it? Okay, guys. Oh, Sean is Patrick's brother. So he's gonna play well I got confused, sorry. Isn't he over here for a sleepover? Over yeah, because I see him here. Yes, he's your brother. Oh god, this is yeah, so we figured it out. Yeah. Um Drastic Tree or Richard got confused. That his brother Mason has. It's his fault. How did all of them escape when there's these really two really good police officers here? There's the one in the black and a naked guy. Literally a naked guy. So guys, if you want to shout out videos, so here's what you do. You follow me on Roblox. Okay? Listen. You. You follow me on Roblox. You also that's all you do. You follow me on Roblox. Then I said I see your followers, you want my followers, and I will give you a shout out. So that's how we do it. I'm looking at the okay, we've got bird's eye view of the situation now. What is the situation? Hello, 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 I'm walking through the prison. Hello, I'm walking through the prison. 'Cause I got caught trying to escape. There's a naked guy, he's in the lights. Whoa. There. So, Richard, what you playing? Wow, maybe. Okay. So we're just talking about this another game. This another game that we both like. In there, no. Let's keep punching. We'll overwhelm the cop. We'll overwhelm them. O- overwhelm him. No one made it. So you made it. Go, 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 go. Yes, we're making little Larry, we're making little Larry history. The first escape from weird prison. I'm going with this guy. Well, I'll split up. Whoa, no, no, I can't. I hear a car. Oh, and I hear cops. I see no one behind me. Wow. Richard just saying, always recycle your ammo. Oh, yeah. Ollie, Ollie, it's what you wanted. Yeah, it's fine. Whee! Whee! No. So, my speculative theory is that my game hacked. So that will be the end of this video. So I'll see you next time, okay? Goodbye.